Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is UMUGUMA World Bank Owerri, the new road they have started doing and the gutters. Guys, I will show you what they have done so far. So this is the roundabout, one of the roundabout there at UMUGUMA near the market. So my journey started from here going to UMUGUMA to show you guys how this place looked like. This is when I was going. So I will reach the market side and I will from there come down, show you guys where they have stopped and what they are doing on this road. So this is me going. So guys, my camera is bad, but I hope you guys see little about these videos and the areas that I covered. So this is the gutters there at the UMUGUMA. So here is where we stopped and you see how everywhere is. So I will start from the market side coming down to the hotels that lead to flyover side of control. So guys, this is the market here at UMUGUMA. They say here is the UMUGUMA market. So I have to start from here, showing these areas, showing how the activities is here. My camera is really bad, but guys, I hope you guys see the little that I covered. It was very sunny. Today is Sunday and it was very sunny day. So this is how these gutters look like. Everywhere is bushy. Oh my god. And they don't used to burn it. So this is the road along that market side. You can see the market down there. I'm out from the market now. So I'll be showing you guys the roads because they have started doing the gutters and where they put chippings, they have not covered it with crota. I will show you the side they have covered that lead to the other Concord side, that Port Harcourt road. So guys, this is where I started. This is where they put their chippings, for the work they are doing. Is where they park their chippings. This is the gutters they have started doing. So from here now, I'll be taking you down to that control because this road now straight is control post flyover. So guys, you can see this is where they put in sand. I don't know, they clear here and pack all the sand here they are using. This is the gutter, how they are doing it, and this is where I saw the gutter going down. This is where they stop, coming from control post to UMUGUMA market. This is where the gutter stops. So I'm starting from here now to show you the things they are doing and where they have stopped so far. So this is along the UMUGUMA Road World Bank area. So guys, this is the gutter. You can see how they are doing the gutters. For some people that are not in Owerri and have not been here for a long time, for me it has been long I came to this place. So I saw some people commenting that I should come this side and make this video. So that's why I took time today, being Sunday, to come and do this video. It was really sunny and you can see how the camera is. So I hope you guys see the little from this video. So this is the road. This is how it looks like now. So I will from here be going down to control post side. So this is the work now, the work going. So everything is going accordingly. You can see these are the shops along this road of UMUGUMA. If they finish this road, these places will look like, man, beautiful city, because you see beautiful shops along the road here. So this side we open business and people doing their business, we stay at sight. This side is sight, it's totally sight. So from here I'll be going down, showing you guys the gutters they are doing, how they are doing it. This is how they are doing the gutters, you see. So that is how it look like, today vlogging, showing you guys this UMUGUMA Port Harcourt Road housing estates World Bank. So guys, this is all the houses along the road there all these, some of those things are shops. So today is Sunday, they are not open. So this is the road here. This is what they are doing. This is how this place look like. For some people that have not seen this place or have not been here for a long time, this is UMUGUMA World Bank Housing Estates area. This is how it looks like. This is the road network. This is what they are doing so far. Yeah, the road are in progress. So this is supermarket along the road there. So I entered the supermarket, to get water. So after getting water, I will continue my vlogging. So after I got the water, so I came out, continue my vlogging. So this is another roundabout here. This is where, see, here is a roundabout, and this road now link to that Port Harcourt road that is going to World Bank Junction side. So this is a roundabout here. From here now you are going down to Control. From here they have finished the road from here to Control. They here now link down to Control. They have finished this also lane. This one now link up to Port Harcourt road. That's Concord Junction side. This one link to Concord Junction side. So from here now, this area now I'm showing you link to that Control, the flyover, the new flyover. So here is a road network that link to Port Harcourt road. You can from there go to Concord side. So this is a roundabout here. So from this roundabout here now, I'll be going down to Control through this side, because it linked to Control Post, the flyover, the new flyover at Assumpta Cathedral. So guys, this is how this place look like. This way now is going to Control. So I'll be going to Control Post now. This is me going to Control Post. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, because a lot of videos will be dropping. I'll be going to Abia State, the Umuahia capital, to show you guys how that city looks like. One of the best cities in eastern part of Nigeria. This is cars going to Control Post now. All these ones now going down to Control Post. Thank you.